bafethu iCaze yakwazi ukumoshela usuku yezwa ayakwazi ukumosha usuku le team mfethu hayi kancane iblind ukumosha usuku yazi mfethu ngeke bafethu ngeke ngiqale nje la ngicela ukwazi bahamba nini labo plumber bo2 bahamba nini mfethu bahamba nini yini leli bhola esilidlalayo mfethu yini leyana mfethu laba mfethu abahambe laba mfethu ngiyanitshela mina yazi mfethu iCaze iyanhlanhlatha egroundini iyanhlanhlatha ayina direction asazi ukuthi senzani find whatever works bafethu ngeke awona manje isikhona isikhathi sokudlala lesi serious la iCaze inenkinga bafethu enkulu futhi yabona labo coach laba ngithi abahambi abana foundation abana mabe yabona nje mfethu sidinga ucoach ozosibuyisela back to basics because yabona lento edlala lapha kwiCaze ngesiphume ngisho number 9 maqhubeka laba mfethu laba ngesiphume ngisho number 9 sizoya le ko number 15 sobe sibanga ukuyehlathini serious ke manje serious of jokes aside Kaizer Chiefs ayina direction sidlala nje whatever works and akusebenzi ke clearly akusebenzi sesihlule nokora igoli ukora igoli hayi bafethu ngeke bafethu asina direction labo coach laba baqashiwe bafethu angeke basinike lento ngicabanga bazosinika yona akuyona ngiyanitshela Albert I had high hopes for the match le bengijabule kabi ukuthi team ongisho ku international break clearly bebepheka something lapho Kaizer Chiefs yakwazi ukonela usuku mfethu yezwa ayakwazi mfana iyakwazi ngiyivuma iyakwazi bethu hayibo okay line up enjani leyana mfethu line up enjani leyana uBhekline athi udawe kanjeyana first half nje lenhlulo nanokwenza line up ke manje mfethu ngeke senkingeni lana and yabona kunama Chiefs fans anenkani ebhedayo anibodi labo coach bo2 abana direction anibodi libhola abadlalayo nabo balazi ithina nje kuphela kumele silokhu sibekezelile nje bafethu ngeke sidinga ucoach ozosibuyisela back to basics ngiyanitshela mina sidinga ucoach ozosinika idirection egroundini yabona wena ozongitshela ukuthi angazi kunjani ozophikisa into engisho kahle awungitshela ukuthi ilona lephi ibhola edlalwa iCaze lapha egroundini yini le find isidlala lapha abafethu ngisho ama decision making abantu futhi ulilepho uvela khahlele mfethu ulilepho masekuthiwa bafethu hayi anikahleni team leyana bafethu akudlalwa ilogi lapha i-team leyana asihlelekile ngisho egroundini ngisho siphethe ibhola sihlelekile so pass ubona sekuthiwa nje Frostler pass lapha okay uFrostler ngenze example yambi ngoFrost uFrostler udlalile namhlanje yena man of the match yami leyana angibonanga about man of the match kodwa if bekuyena beyideserve udlalile la muntu udlalile kakhulu la muntu bafethu iCaze hayi azi bafethu engeke azi bese ngisho midfielder yethu i-cooked yabona bese lento kacele nomthetho nomdu ayisebenzi ngeke isebenzele sidinga bese azi bese sidinga umuntu ozosilinka phisela imidfielder yethu neyathikithu asinaye lo muntu iCaze Chiefs bafethu iya kanjani phambili lapha ngoba ngisho asina direction lana ngeweekend siyoba yihlazo ngiyayisaba into eyenziwa iSimba kwiCaze Chiefs ngeweekend angeke ngiyibuke la game sengibonile ukuthi ngiyohlambalazeka lapha ngithatha ibreak okwamanje bafethu ngithatha ibreak ukwenza nama video ngeCaze ngisazothi nje ufocus ku Real Madrid ngoba ngeke ngikwazi ngimncane kabi le mental breakdown ngimncane kabi mfethu hayi ngeke mfethu iCaze hayi ngeke bafethu hayibo after ngazi ngisho ku recognize iclub yami mfethu mayinje
yabona lo muntu lo iChiefs ushonile bafana shonile lo muntu and ushona nje akakawalungisi lamanyala washila ayikho phela explanation singavela nayo for lento eyenzeka la because how do you explain a team creating so many opportunities but failing to score one? I'm not even talking about the game le against Isiwelele. All these other games, the past 4 games, choosing a win league, they've been creating opportunities but not scoring. Into enjani leyo? Hi. Kodwa ke iCaze Chiefs ihlulekile ukuwina eFNB Stadium. They failed to win their 4th game in a row at home. In fact, their 5th game in a row at home. They failed to win it. But mina ke ngokwami le lose le I put it on the coaches. I put this lose rather on the coach. He lose le. Futhi akekho futhi ozongiphikisa kuloko. He lose le. Yazi i-problem la yini bafethu, we have abo coach about two abanama philosophies awu-2 ahlukene and ba-coach team eyi-1 ngesikhathi esi-1. I-problem leyo because kunento engifuna ukuthi uyinake. Yabona mangabe kuwukhaze ocoacha i-team, i-Chiefs idlala nge-4-4-2 every time. I want you to notice something lapho. Every time kuwukhaze ocoacha i-team, i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala nge-4-4-2. And usually 4-4-2 yabo i-diamond njenganamhlanje, umthetho at the base 2-8 and the 10 ebese striker ngamadoda awu-2 and ayisebenzi leyo nto leyo. And every time ku-Ben Yusuf ocoacha i-team, uleader i-team from the bench, i-Chiefs idlala nge-4-3-3 in most cases macoach uBen Yusuf. Two different philosophies by two different coaches but coaching the same team. So how do we expect the players to perform? Because now philosophy amaningi eteamini eyi-1. Le nto abocoach abayithiwa isebenzi. Oyi-1 kuzofanele abe assistant coach. La kuzofanele kuthatha isinqumo ukuthi ubani ozohola i-team. Oyi-1 abe assistant coach, oyi-1 abe head coach. Ngoba le nto abocoach abayithiwa hayi khona. Right. Ama-player amaningi namhlanje awaphefomanga kamnandi. Cele ne. uFrosler had good and bad moments. Kunala mela across corner, across intando yakhe. Kunala yazi nje. And then Ikotaro, I think Ikotaro was introduced too early in terms of starting the game. Maybe he should have came in on the last 30 minutes of the game. Yabo. I think it's too much pressure for him to start the game and expect him to perform. And it actually backfired because his striker was for the second half totally injured, of which is bad. But this game, it was not a good game as of the other previous games where Kaizer Chiefs. But again, I think this guy we take the point and we move on.
That's our quality. Why do I act angry like I'm surprised? That's just the quality we have in this team. First off, we start like a house on fire, attacking non-stop. Because you made a little tweak to the starting 11, to the starting team. So it looks good. We're getting the ball forward, we're getting into dangerous positions. The final third obviously always needs work. Come half time, Maboe and Velebay are sitting on the bench. But no, you resort back to the old team. You bring on Lelepo and Cross. Obviously, I'm assuming Cross is tactical for the weekend, but you bring on Lelepo. Time goes on, you bring on Serino. Mayo, Sipesihle Ndlovu, okay, it's fine. I actually like him. Moves the ball fast. Where's Serino going? There's my boy sitting there on the bench. Put him in the 10 role. No. Velebay sitting on the bench. Don't bring him on. Same old Kaizer Chiefs. So second half, you resort back to the old Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know. I don't know what these coaches see. I really don't know what these coaches see. This team, it's where are we getting our next win? Our next win, who are we gonna beat? The way that we're playing like this, who do you think? Our next game we can improve and beat them. Who? I think next game, if I'm not mistaken, is Durban City. Good luck, Billy. Good luck beating Gavin Hunt. Top 8, bye-bye. Bye-bye, top 8. Unless these guys do not make changes, big changes in the team. Big changes, especially in the attacking department. I'm always crying in the attacking department. Please have something fresh up front. Please. But Kaizer Chiefs fans will attack you. Oh, we played well. We were just unlucky. We said that the game before. We said that the game before. We said that the other game before. 3-4 draws in a row. We're playing well. We're just unlucky.
while we carry on playing and being unlucky, we're dropping down further down the log.
Guys, how we are cast. The way team yethu edlala ngakhona ngathi sithakathiwe for reals. Akho kwa team up, it's like kudlalwa nje. Every time we ufuna a chance like yemgqomeni. Only lepo basafa kolandoni guys. How many times do we have to come here sithethe ngaloli lepo umgqomo weplayer? How many times? Nabo mabu ovele bahayi naba abantu guys. And my thing is these coaches bezimbonile ba udlala well P umdu was this Nomfundo le World Cup plays very well. I want this Bugela Zoiforza plays very well behind the strike. Benzani bona like benzani into sometimes into is obvious. Benzani bona ayikho le nonsense edlala namhlanje. The game is not even ended even ayek noma siwinile. Nonsense le nto esidlalayo man. Kudlala ububhangi asina coach. I'm gonna say this, akhoka coach abantu like cause games ezingapi bekhona ngo still akhonto eyibonakala ebhadlileyo. Bona kwa umayo ndavela ndabona ba
benza shoke ngokuba siphindela back ku number 9 kuba caba thina asideserve ukuba pha phezulu. Elana nto bayijimela bajimela ukusihlambalaza. Why? No, anqono abajima abajimi abekho abadlali abajima abadlala kanje. Anivumi. Why? Uyabona mangumlandeli lokho ezathi kufanele uhlezi unawo amapilisi okulala ngoba ngonzolala kanjani. First half vele sidlala ngamadoda ashodayo uDuba ucele abekho gaming. Kodwa ucele ukwazi ukuyigqiba igame. Why? Okay. Umkhiphele Mvilakazi. Mina nithi ngutolika lo wayengambi. Okanye siyabashauta. Ngeke sibashauta kakhulu ne? Sabashauta. Okanye kusasebenza food poisoning. No abajimi. Hey.
That's it for your video namhlanje reacting to Amakhosi versus Iswelele. Igame angikhona ngiyibuka, I was watching igame Pirates, but into engayisho ukuthi it's not looking good for the Chiefs now as well. Masikhuluma nge-CAF competitions. Akubukeki kukuhle Makhosi. Because you guys nihleke Pirates ukuthi Pirates kumele ikore amagoli ayi4 ukuze iqhubeke to ama-group stages. But none, you guys need to score. But right now, you guys are struggling to score. For the past 4 games, you guys struggle to score. And coming to Saturday, into Saturday, you guys need to score. Really, but you guys are struggling. And unless if you guys want to take the game to penalties, number 1 goalkeeper is Rwanda. Penalties, but now, of course, it doesn't look good for you guys. It's bad. It's bad, Amakhosi. And any look like they're complaining about why ngadlala. Okay, ne? I've never seen Velebai play. Angazi ngibona idlala, angimazi udlala kanje, angimazi ukuthi umnandi na. So please, makuthi unuka ngibona, cela ungitshele ukuthi umnandi na uVelebai, and makuthi uyangena lapha Chiefs, ungena ukhipha abantu replace abantu. Because angikhathele mina ukuzwa abantu bethu sibanibana kadlala sebenchini. Ukhipha abantu ku starting lineup lo enithangene. Because right now, it's game Chiefs siyabheda mfethu siyabheda. As you guys were signing players, and I was like, wow, Chiefs sign, and it's gonna be a very competitive season because of playing signing. But right now, I'm like, Aibo, you guys signed Abo Vileba and Abo Badman, Abo Chislet, Abo Mnyan, Abo Mago. Guys, those signings are continuable, bruh. I keep signing an NZ that like even gives them fans the confidence to go to Chiefs ibuyile. Because I feel like ayifanele nje wonke lama player khona. Ama player khona this season la afana la player la wala season ayifanele nje Chiefs mfethu kuyabheda mfethu. So coming into Saturday guys, or Sunday, I'm not sure ukuthi kunini. Ningajahi or nisheshe nihleke Pirates ukuthi nithi iphumile. You guys nani ngenza bathi niphume. I'm just saying. So to go wonke umuntu obukile igame namhlanje ngicela ngitshele ukuthi who do you think was the man of the match, and mawucabanga yini inkinga ye-Chiefs? Is it the coaches, the translator, or inkinga phethu management futhi kumele bethi izihambule isithobe ihambe iyocela nebethu uxolo lapha kwindlondlo yamanzi? Because phela kuyazwela mfethu, kuyazwela. Now I need Chiefs to win because Chiefs might win. People watch my videos, told my views. But if Chiefs doesn't win, I don't get views. I mean, hey, when Chiefs, you guys need to win. Even though I don't like seeing you guys win, but yo, I need money. I need to able. Hey, I go up at the Lapino of food and guys, I need one game up. So let me just if you didn't give a leconala. And if you made it this far, because most of you guys don't finish the videos, and most of you guys don't watch my ads. Yeah, ne. You know when they say I'm a content creator, say KZN are lazy. They YouTube. I was like, I'm YouTube. I'm from KZN, but you guys don't support me. I am from KZN. But anyways, thank you for watching. To everyone who subscribed to my channel so far, you guys are amazing. So signing out. See you guys on the weekend.